Welcome to Techatop, the top 5 best bookshelf speakers under $500, perfect for anyone wanting rich, detailed sound without overspending. Whether you are upgrading your home audio setup or building a compact system, these picks deliver impressive performance and value. Stick around to see which model takes the top spot. All product links in the description. Number 5. The Edifier R1280T Powered Bookshelf. Speakers offer an impressive blend of quality, simplicity, and value, making them a strong choice for anyone building a compact audio setup. With a maximum output power of 42 watts and a frequency response that reaches down to 80 Hz, these speakers provide clear stereo sound that suits music, movies, and general listening. The dual auxiliary input is especially convenient, allowing users to connect 2 devices at once without repeatedly changing cables. This flexibility makes them ideal for desktops, small entertainment centers, and vinyl record players. A remote control is included, giving easy access to volume adjustments, while the bass and treble knobs located on the side of the main speaker allow listeners to fine-tune the sound to match their preferences. The classic wood finish adds a warm aesthetic and blends well with a wide range of interior styles. The MDF wood enclosure offers both durability and acoustic stability, helping maintain sound clarity at various volume levels. User impressions highlight how simple these speakers are to set up, even in smaller rooms with limited space. Many appreciate the balanced sound profile and the ability to boost low or high tones for a more personalized experience. Vinyl enthusiasts in particular note how lively and clean their records sound through this system. Several users have even gone on to purchase additional sets, praising the blend of performance and affordability. Overall, the Edifier R1280T stands out as a dependable and budget-friendly powered bookshelf speaker option. Number 4. The Polk Audio T15 Home Theater and Stereo Bookshelf. Speakers offer a compelling entry point for anyone seeking dependable sound quality at an accessible price. With a maximum output power of 100 watts and a wide frequency response that reaches up to 24,000 Hz, these speakers deliver clear and engaging audio suitable for movies, music, and general entertainment. The combination of a 0.75-inch tweeter and a 5.25-inch dynamic balance driver allows the speakers to produce crisp highs, detailed mids, and impressively deep bass, even at modest volume levels. Their versatile design allows them to serve as front, rear, or left and right channels in a home theater arrangement. They are also wall-mountable, making placement flexible for rooms of various sizes. This capability makes them especially attractive for listeners beginning to build a surround sound system. When paired with other Polk components such as the T50 tower speakers, T30 center channel, and a powered subwoofer, the T15 can form the foundation of a full 5.1 home theater setup. The wired connection keeps the setup process simple and reliable. Users only need to connect standard speaker wire to an audio or video receiver, making these speakers easy to integrate without complex steps. The build quality reflects Polk Audio's long reputation for durable and well-engineered products. Many users praise the solid construction and impressive sound performance, often expressing genuine surprise at the clarity and bass response. Overall, the Polk Audio T15 speakers provide an excellent blend of value, versatility, and dependable audio performance. Number 3. The Sony CS Speakers SS-CS5M2. 3-way bookshelf speakers offer an impressive combination of clarity, precision, and modern engineering, making them a strong choice for listeners who want high-resolution audio in a compact form. With a maximum output power of 100 watts and a wide frequency range that begins at 53 Hz, these speakers deliver a full and detailed sound that works well for music, movies, and everyday listening. The 3-driver system includes a 5.12-inch woofer that enhances low-end frequencies, producing bass that feels natural and controlled without distortion. A high-precision tweeter ensures that vocals and instruments remain clear and accurate, while the wide-dispersion super tweeter creates an expansive sound stage that helps the listener feel more immersed in the audio. The reinforced cellular cone design adds stability and reduces unwanted vibrations, allowing the speakers to maintain clarity even during complex or dynamic passages. The bass reflex enclosure also supports deeper and cleaner low frequencies, offering a balanced overall sound profile. These speakers are compact enough for small rooms, offices, or media stations, yet they deliver performance that rivals larger models. They integrate especially well with Sony audio and video receivers, making them ideal for users who want cohesive system synergy. Setup is simple with standard wired connections that remain reliable over time. User impressions highlight how open and spacious the sound feels despite the compact size. Many appreciate the premium build quality and the faithful high-resolution audio reproduction. Overall, the Sony SS-CS5M2 speakers stand out as a refined and well-engineered option for high-quality stereo listening. Number 2. The Cerwin Vega LA Series LA165C two-way bookshelf speakers bring powerful performance and refined design together in a compact form that suits a wide range of listening environments. With a maximum output power of 150 watts and a frequency response that reaches up to 20 kHz, these speakers deliver a balanced and engaging stereo sound. The 6.5-inch woofer provides strong and deep bass, while the 1-inch tweeter produces clear highs and smooth mid-range detail, creating an enjoyable listening experience across many genres. Their compact size makes them suitable for dorm rooms, offices, and living areas where space is limited, yet sound quality cannot be compromised. A variety of finish options, including black, cognac, espresso, and white, allow users to match the speakers with their existing decor. Gold-coated connectors support banana plugs, offering a clean installation and reliable signal transfer that enhances overall audio performance. These speakers are versatile enough for music, movies, gaming, and general entertainment. Both Bluetooth and RCA connectivity provide flexibility for different systems and devices. Built by Cerwin Vega, a company known for decades of expertise in premium audio engineering, the LA165C continues the brand's tradition of delivering impactful and stylish products. User impressions often highlight the excellent combination of design, bass response, and overall performance. Many listeners appreciate the strong low end and attractive appearance, noting that the speakers feel both powerful and refined. Several users even plan to purchase additional units to complete a more immersive stereo setup. Overall, the Cerwin Vega LA165C speakers offer impressive value and a rich listening experience. Number 1. The Klipsch RP600M Reference Premier Bookshelf. Speakers are a striking blend of refined engineering, expressive sound, and premium craftsmanship. With a maximum output power of 100 watts and a frequency response that reaches down to 45 Hz, these speakers deliver a rich and dynamic stereo performance well-suited for dedicated music listening. The 1-inch titanium vented tweeter paired with the hybrid Tractrix horn ensures crisp and detailed high frequencies, offering excellent clarity even at higher volume levels. A 6.5-inch spun copper cerametallic woofer provides strong mid-range and controlled low-frequency response, giving instruments and vocals a natural sense of presence. The rear-firing Tractrix port supports efficient bass reflex operation, enhancing depth while minimizing distortion. Dual binding posts allow BI wiring or BI amping, giving more advanced users the option to customize their system for improved performance. The removable magnetic grille is both durable and stylish, allowing listeners to choose between a sleek covered look or a more technical exposed driver appearance. The speakers feature a refined ebony finish with excellent build quality that stands out in any listening room. User impressions often praise the balanced audio signature, highlighting the smooth blend of bass, treble, and mid-range. Many listeners appreciate the extended yet controlled low end, describing the sound as pleasant and engaging for music. While some users question its suitability for high-impact home theater bass, most agree that the RP600M excels in musical accuracy and overall listening enjoyment. Thanks for watching our countdown of the top 5 best bookshelf speakers under $500. Each of these options delivers impressive sound quality, great design, and solid value, making them excellent upgrades for any home audio setup. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Check out all product links in the description, and stay tuned for more honest reviews and top picks in upcoming videos.